वेलकम टू वी लर्न में आपका स्वागत है। सब्जेक्ट इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट, सेशन नंबर 3। टॉपिक टू बी कवर्ड इन दिस सेशन: स्टॉक पॉलिसी, मल्टीपल ऑर्डर अपॉर्चुनिटी, व्हाई होल्ड इन्वेंटरी, एडिशनल assumptions of the inventory, service level, order up to level, and few examples regarding the inventory. And now S policy. When the inventory is at or below the levels order up to S, multiple order, single order models, swimsuits, Valentine Days cards, etc., no opportunity to reorder. In many practical situations, reordering is possible to TV set, random demand occurs, random lead time occurs. Why hold inventory? There are various causes to holding the inventory, like to satisfy demand during the lead time. Secondly, to protect against uncertainty in demand. And third cause is to minimize the total cost. ये 3 रीजन होते हैं जो कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है इन्वेंट्री अपने पास रखता है, क्योंकि इन्वेंट्री के बिना हमारा प्रोडक्शन हैम्पर होता है। अगर आप फिनिश गुड्स की इन्वेंट्री नहीं रखते हैं तो मार्केट डिमांड आपकी हैम्पर होती है। रॉ मटेरियल की इन्वेंट्री नहीं होती तो आपका ऑपरेशन स्मूथली नहीं चलेगा। सेकेंडली, प्रोटेक्ट अगेंस्ट अनसर्टेनिटी इन डिमांड। कई बार डिमांड की अनसर्टेनिटी होती है, अनिश्चितता होती है, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए भी इन्वेंट्री की जरूरत होती है। जैसे डिमांड अचानक ही ज्यादा हो जाती है और ये सब चीजें सीजनल प्रोडक्ट या ऑक्यूपेशनल जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं उनके अंदर ज्यादा पाई जाती है, तो उसको पूरा करने के लिए हम इन्वेंट्री रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज टू मिनिमाइज द टोटल कॉस्ट, और जो टोटल कॉस्ट होती है उसको मिनिमम करने के लिए भी हम इन्वेंट्री होल्ड करते हैं। Demand additional assumptions. Demand random and follow a normal distribution. 2. Ordering costs are proportional to the quantity ordered. Inventory holding cost is charged per item per unit time. Lost sales occurs. Distributor specifies a required service level, and service level probability of not stocking out during lead time. For example, if the service level is 95%, demand will be satisfied from stock in 95% of lead time. Notions: ABG means average daily demand, STD standard deviation of demand, L lead time in day, H cost of holding 1 unit for 1 day, and alpha service level. Inventory position equal to on hand inventory plus on order inventory. So policy: whenever the inventory positions drop below S or safety orders enough to raise it to S, इसको हमें जो है सेफ्टी लेवल के ऊपर पहुंचाना होता है। ऑर्डर अप टू लेवल, एवरेज डिमांड ड्यूरिंग लीड टाइम, L multiply AVG. Position distribution. A position distribution can be Indian to the estimated normal distribution. If the mean is greater than equal to 10, then average or mean equal to variance. Safety stock, Z multiply SQRT multiply level into AVG, but SQRT average equal to STD. The Indian safety stock is Z equal to Z multiply STD multiply SQRT. So order up to level is L into AVG plus Z into STD multiply SQRT. Selection of Z: 5% in tail, minus Z equal to 1.65, 3% in tail, Z equal to 1.88, 1% in tail, Z equal to 2.33 in Z test. 1 minus alpha, probability during L greater than L multiply ABG plus Z multiply STD multiply SQRT equal to 1 minus alpha. Example, distributor of TV sets, monthly demand for the past year average 191.17, standard equal to 66.53, N equal to 2B, service level equal to 97%, so Z equal to 1.88. Average weekly demand, average monthly demand 4.3, which is equal to 44.46, monthly average 66.53 whole square, average weekly variance, average monthly variance divided by 4.3, average weekly standard SQRT, average weekly variance 66.53 divided by SQRT 4.3, which is equal to 32.08. Example, average demand during lead time L into ABG. This implies by 2 multiply 44.46, which is equal to 88.92. Safety stock Z multiply STD multiply SQRT. This implies by 1.88 multiply 32.08 multiply SQRT into 2, which is equal to 85.29. Other example, reorder point L into average plus Z into standard plus SQRT L, 88.92 plus 85.29, which is equal to 174.21, which is equal to reorder point. When the inventory positions on hand plus on order falls below 175, order enough to raise it to 175. Weekly of supply, week supply 174.21 divided by 44.46, which is equal to 3.92 units. Fixed order cost. Suppose that a fixed cost K is paid every time in order is placed. Indians and stock policy where S and S are different. S is in the pre-Prevo Indian case, minus S equal to L into average plus Z into STD plus S multiply SQRT. Order up to level, minus S equal to maximum of Q, L multiply ABG plus Z multiply STD multiply SQRT L. So stock policy S capital, inventory position, then small s, and O is the lead time of small x. Example, continue the pro-Indians example and assume that there is a fixed ordering cost of rupees 4,500 independent of the order size. Cost of a TV set is rupees 250. Annual inventory holding cost is 18% of rupees 250 or on a weekly basis. So 0.18 multiply 250 divided by 52, which is equal to 0.87. Order quantity Q equal to SQRT 2 multiply 4500 multiply 44.46 divided by 0.87, which is equal to 679 unit. Then order up to level S से ऊपर का जो order होगा 679 plus 86, which is equal to 765 units. The distributor should place an order to raise the inventory positions to 765 TV sets whenever the inventory is below 175 units. Which system is better and why? Suppliers, warehouse 1, warehouse 2 and warehouse 3. Then warehouse 1 go to the market 1, warehouse 2 go to the market 2 and warehouse 3 go to the market 1 and 2. Risk pooling. Which of the system will require more inventory? Why? With the same level, total inventory level, which of the system provides better service? Why? Then compare the two systems shown in the earlier figures with two products. Maintain a 97% service level. Order cost is rupees 60. Holding cost is rupees 27 unit per week. Transportation cost average. Centralized system Indian rupees 1.05 units. Decentralized system Indian rupees 1.10 unit. Lead time is 1 week. So data is given here. Product A, market 1, market 2, market 33, 46, market product B, market 1, 0, product B, market 2, 2, product A, central market 79, product B, central market 2. Second situation 45, 35, 2, 4, 86, third week 37, 41, 3, 0, 78, 3, fourth week 38, 40, 0, 0, 78, 0, fifth week 55, 26, 0, 3, 81, 3, sixth week 30, 48, 1, 1, 78, 2, seventh week 18, 18, 3, 0, 36, 3, eighth week 58, 55, 0, 0, 1, 1, 3 and 0. Descriptive statistics. Market 1 and 2, product AA, average 39.22 and 38.62, standard rate 13.18, 12.05, covariance 0.34, 0.32. Then market 1 B and market 2B, average 1.12 and 1.25, 1.36 and 1.58 is standard, and covariance 1.21 and 1.26. Central market A, product A 77.88 average, 20.71 standard and variance is 0.27, whereas central B 2.38 average, 1.92 standard and 0.81 covariance. So calculation of market 1 product A, Q equal to SQRT multiplied 2 multiply 60 multiply 39.25 divided by 0.27, which is equal to 132.08, or Q equal to 132. Reorder point 1 multiply 39.25 plus 1.88 multiply 13.18 multiply SQRT1, which is equal to 39.25 plus 24.75. This implies by 64.03. Or reorder point equal to, we can write this as 65 units. So safety stock equal to 1.88 multiply 13.18 multiply SQRT1. This implies by 24.78. Order up to level maximum 132.08 and 39.25 plus 24.78. This implies by 132.08 plus 24.78, which is equal to 156.86 or 157 units. Inventory level A, market 1 and market 2, product A and A, 24.78, 2.58 safety stock, reorder point 65 and 4, quantity demanded 132 and 25, and order up to level 157 and 26. Market 1 B and market 2B 22.80 and 3, 62.5, 62 and 5, 131 and 24, 154 and 27, central market A 39.35, reorder point 118, quantity 186 unit, and order up to level 226. Central market B 3.61 is safety stock, reorder point 6, quantity 33 and order up to level 37. Average inventory equal to Q by 2 plus safety stock. Analysis for product A, market 1 safety stock equal to 24.78, which is equal to 132 unit. Average inventory equal to 90.78. Average inventory safety stock plus Q by 2. Analysis of for product A, market 2 safety stock equal to 22.80, Q equal to 131. Average inventory equal to 88.30. Average inventory equal to safety stock plus Q by 2. Analysis for product A, central safety stock equal to 39.35 and Q equal to 186. Average inventory equal to 132.35. Product A with 2 warehouse Indians, market 190.78, market 288.30, and total demand 179.08. Product A with a central warehouse Indians average 132.35, saving 100% minus 73.9%, which is equal to 26.1%. Point 1. Centralizing inventory reduces both safety stock and average inventory in the system. If inventory is higher in the one market and lower in the other, then inventory will be available to be reallocated. Point 2. The higher the CV, the greater the benefits obtained from centralized system or risk pooling. Higher CV means greater safety stock. The CV is decreased as pooling occurs. Types of risk pooling: across market, across product, and across time. Market के regarding, product के regarding, and time के regarding. So, effect on safety stock decrease when moving from centralized to decentralized system depending on the parameters. Service level is higher for the centralized system depending on the parameters, and centralized versus Indian decentralized. Effect on overhead cost are less in a centralized system. See Indian parameters: lead time is lower for decentralized system, transportation cost outbound are Indianly lower for decentralized. Can't say about inbound cost. Echelon inventory system. This is a warehouse lead time, suppliers and warehouse inventories and retails. How much inventory at which location? The retailer raise inventory to level as each period. The supplier raises the sum of inventory in the retailer and supplier warehouse Indians and in transit to safety stock. If there is not enough inventory in the warehouse to meet all demand from retail in rupees, it is allocated so that service level at each retailer will be equal. Top 5 strategy in a recent survey. Periodic review policy 59%. Inventory is reviewed at a fixed interval at which time a decision is made on the order size. Tight management of average rates, lead times and safety stock 46% allow the firm to keep a close watch on inventory levels. ABC approach 37%. Class A represent about 80% of annual sales and about 20% of Indian sales. Weekly review. Class B represent about 15% of annual sales, less than a weekly review. Sage monthly. Class C represent about 5% of annual sales. Lots of these inexpensive items are capped or zero. Now inventory turnover. Annual inventory turnover ratio means a ratio which determines the actual inventory or the inventory per unit, like annual sales divided by average inventory level. Median inventory turnover ratio. Dairy products, electronics components, computers, books publisher, industrial chemicals, All Indian holds electrical appliance, dairy product equal to 19.3%, electronics 5.7%, components 5.3%, computer industry 2.4%, books publisher 3.4%, household 6.6%, chemicals, industrial chemical 5%, and so on. Do it yourself. What is inventory ratio, how it is calculated, and what is inventory policy, how it is used, and that's it from session number 3. Thank you.